Almost everything works fine with this. There's the 1 gig RAM, and down in there, right here, should be where the sound card is, but this set does not have a sound card, and Dell on their website says that this never came out with the sound card. Thus, I went to Memory Express and they couldn't find the proper sound card. They found sound cards alright, but that slot is backwards. Probably for power reasons, that you don't short everything out. But anyway, the sound cards that they had would not fit. And it's a PowerEdge 600SC. So anyway, the solution came up that they give me a, sold me a Sound Blaster plug and play. Well, it's got a disc there if you have to install it, but it sits in the USB port just like the mouse, and one end you have mic, and the other end you have the speaker outlet, and that solves my sound problem for this. And also, I was looking for RAM. They have no listing. They said you should try Dell. And the sound is right there at the USB. Just letting it warm up here.